Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to choose what info to show on your Google account. Open your favorite browser. Go to accounts.google.com. In the left sidebar, click on Personal Info. Now, under Choose What Others Can See section, click on Go to About Me. This lock icon indicates the information is visible only to you. And this lock icon indicates the information is accessible to everyone. Your name is visible to everyone. Your profile picture is visible to everyone. Your gender is visible only to you. Your birthday is visible only to you. Your email address is visible to everyone. If you want, you can change the gender and birthday settings to make it visible to everyone. But you can't hide your name, profile picture and email address from others. This is how you can choose what info to show on your Google account. Thank you for watching.